Right, cool. We get to tape the adjustments.
He enjoys this more so than massages.
I know. Okay, now it's so funny. Everybody will say, "Well, who wouldn't like a massage?" I got so many patients who don't want massage, and they love getting adjusted. And then I've got this one guy. He'll come in here for his adjustment. He despises the adjustment. So it's like he lays down, and seriously, I go crack, 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 and then I'm like, "All right, man, I'll see you later."
Really?
He loves how he feels, but he doesn't like the process. So it's real interesting. All right, nice and relaxed there. Get that upper one. Good. Perfect. Good. Oh yeah, that's the tight side on that one. Good. The left side was the tight side. Okay, the right side I thought it was, but honestly, after I got your adjustment over here, it's that suboccipital muscle and that upper vertebra, C1, C2 on that left, that's getting me a little bit more. Good. All right, let's get that upper going. Go ahead and cross there. Go ahead and lift that home a little bit. Perfect. Good. A little bit higher up. Nice. Way up top. Let your head go drop back a little bit. Good. Good. There it was. Nice. Alright. Leg. A little pull there. Nice. Little pull there. Good. Okay. Actually pretty level right now. I like it. Go ahead and face me this way. With all the track you're doing. Oh, on your side. And then face me, yeah. I think you're doing something right, you're stretching right, because right now I'm not seeing too good. But all the first ones were like lumbar, and then that last one was your pelvis, and that's the tough one to get. So it's like all the vertebrae here popped initially when I start to push you through like that, feel those things move. But then when I give you that deep clunk is right there in that pelvis. Yeah, on your back. The left side was the tight side. The right side was not as bad.
Does that have something to do with him being left-handed? Working it more or
sometimes.
Yeah.
Go ahead and stand up and face me. What I want you to do is arms on the side. What you're gonna do is a quick pull with the elbow. Okay, so you're gonna pull back that way real fast. Go ahead. Good. Pull back. Good. Okay. Yeah, you're getting that. Good. Ooh. Broke it?
No, it's fine.
Okay. Good. Nice. All right, man. Good.
That hurt?
No. Do we? What would be?